pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here.
Hey gems, it's Karen. So it's been a minute since I don't upload as often as what I usually do, but with everything that's going on in this world, can you blame me? So this is just like a chit chat, quick get ready with me. I'm gonna use the Bloodlust palette and I'm admiring this lippy clout. Oh my god, I do want to order like 100 of those. Anyway, if you're new here, I'm Karen. I do hope that you will take a chance on this channel, watch a few of my videos, decide to subscribe and stick around. And if you're returning, you already know I love you guys. I've named you my gems because you're so very precious to me. So sit back, grab some coffee, a cigarette, a vape, whatever you'd like. I'm just going to talk about the weather, anxiety, and that's about it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's chat about what's going on in this world as I get ready. You know, for days, I wanted to do videos, but at the same time, it was kind of depressing. Who else is experiencing that? A little bit of anxiety. I kind of feel like by the end of the year, we're all going to be on depression medication. Like going in with my e.l.f. foundation and my Beauty Blender Puff. I already prepped my skin. I wanted to see how well this worked with applying this foundation, since I've only used it a few times, so we're going to see. But I have to tell you, I'm going out with Clorox wipes when I do have to go out, and it's only for necessary things, and gloves. Anyone else doing that? Luckily, I have access to gloves because of Kayla. We have to do certain things with her where we need them. So, gas station to get my vapes, my little cigarette things, and to the vitamin shop to get Kayla's hemp oil that she takes to help with her seizures, and grocery shopping. And sometimes I'm even getting groceries delivered, but being that funds are scarce right now, I put on my gloves, I go to Aldi, I get what I need, and I get home. And then I'm wiping everything down. And then I've been deep cleaning for days now. Anyone else doing that? Because that's what I'm doing, and it's driving me crazy being inside, but at the same time, you're scared to go outside. You're seeing, I can only watch the news. I limit myself 15 minutes a day because otherwise you're going to go crazy if you're trying to keep up with that. And there isn't anything we can do about it but protect ourselves. So you do the best you can with protecting yourself, and then you've got to not worry. Otherwise, you're going to sit here with tons of anxiety. And do you know what happens when you have anxiety? Your body releases hormones, cortisol and adrenaline. And your body has to reabsorb those chemicals through exercise. And it's really difficult to do. So those of you that have anxiety, I know what that's like. I go through it as well, but I've learned coping techniques, and I'm hoping that maybe anything that I say will help you guys understand that we can control our anxiety. Talking to yourself, telling yourself things are going to be okay is probably the most important thing. Like I said, you know, having a conversation with yourself. I'm going in with Hourglass to set this. Woo, okay. And I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to kind of highlight that eye. But yes, talking to yourself. That's the only way to get through this. And a medication, of course. But medication only makes you not care. You really need to learn coping skills if you're going to be dealing with anxiety. So I want to do my brows and a nice Easter springish kind of eye look today to get myself out of this funk that I've been in. You've been in a funk and have had anxiety? Feel free to tell me about it below. Okay, so I've been using this new brow pencil from Revlon, and it's getting the job done, although it's not my favorite. I can't wait until Ulta opens back up. Oh, I need a spoolie, and there's no spoolie on this one. All right, guys, we're just going in. Where am I going today anyway, right? I went to Starbucks, who has now changed their hours. They were 24 hours, then they went from 6 to 6, and now I think it's 7 to 4. So things are closing. I really do need a spoolie. This is not going to work without it. I'm trying to let my eyebrows grow out as well, so it's going to be a little messy for a while. I did like the way that Beauty Blender Puff applied this foundation. I'm kind of really starting to like e.l.f. foundation, go figure. I'm going to go in with a Morphe brush, and we're going to go in with the Bloodlust palette. I did prep my eyes with MAC Paint Pot, and I want to go in with Deviant, which is this really nice lavender color. Ooh, let's just put that everywhere. Lavender. We'll build it up. I just want it as a base. Just finished eating a muffin and now he wants Doritos. Okay, so Blood Queen. Putting on this Tetris brush. It's a shader brush. We're just going to pack in Blood Queen and kind of use circular motions, fuzzies, to get it in the crease and on the corner of the outer lid. There we are. It's finally nice to be playing with makeup. Trying to keep, well, I am busy during the day, but trying not to let my mind be as busy. But I will tell you that I have noticed I'm waking up quite a bit throughout the night, more than usual. Not excited about that. I do have some exciting announcements today. I don't know if this video is going to go before them or after them, but I have the winners for the Makeup for a Cause, the DV video, and I'm excited to post that. Okay, so what do I want to do? Do I want to go in with Blood Queen in the inner corner as well? I think I do. Why not? Let's just put it in here. Nice and gently. That's a pretty color. Anastasia brush, the side where you apply color, and I'm going to go underneath with Blood Queen. I'm gonna have a nice purple eye. I think I might need some setting spray. We shall see. Gently over my lashes, just like that. Now we're just gonna smoke it out. Nice and easy look today. We could go with purple on the waterline if we want to. I don't have too many eyeliners. Let's see. Should we go in with purple or should we do something else? Let's go in with purple. This one isn't as pigmented. I bet you the LA Shockwave one is much more pigmented. Don't I have that in a purple? I do. These are some of the best liners, and they're cheap. Here we go. Much better. Ooh. Okay, purple eyes. Yes. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to go in with either Pink Magic or Wet Jewel. Setting spray for the shimmers. Have to. Let's start with Pink Magic. And we're going to pop that right here. Oh my gosh, look at that color. That's amazing. Are you guys still loving this palette as much as I am? Oh, I love it. I haven't done an all purple look in a while. And this is pretty much all purple except for the little pink in here. Look at that though. That is a beautiful color. Wet Jewel on top of it and see what happens. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Wow, I love that. Amazing. It just brightens it up even more. A really nice pop of glitter. I'm loving it. A little bit of fallout, even with setting spray, but totally worth it. Yes, definitely. Dense brush. And this is gonna have to work. It's a Farrah brush. For my under eye, I want to put a little bit of Executioner, I think, underneath there. Just gonna dab it. So much for spring, right? I did use setting spray, so I've got to let this dry a little bit. And then we can blend up a little bit so it's connected. And now I want to go in with a blending brush. This one here should work. And we're just going to kind of blend that in, but not touching the glitter. We'll get this underneath to blend with it. Circular motions and moving over. There we go. Much, much better. Now we need to do this side. If you get your shadow down too far, you can always go in with a Q-tip and a little bit of makeup remover if necessary, and then clean it up with concealer. There we go. This one needs a little more blending. Guys, you can take your time with blending, definitely. Just take your time with it. When you're finished, you know? Ooh. There we go. Nice and blended. Gotta blend. Thanking Henry for a top liner on the top. I always have this cigarette in my hand. I wouldn't know what to do without it. That and coffee. And I actually got Starbucks today. Oh, I put way too much on. I'll have to fix that. I'm just having one of those days. There we are. My eyeliner's a little thicker than what I wanted it, but that's okay. Take your time with your eyeliner too, especially if you're using liquid. And I have to stretch out my eye at times to get it to coat evenly, especially if you have mature eyelids. But there we are. I did put on mascara on my lower lashes already. I'm gonna let this dry. Do I want to do a wing? I don't think so. I don't think we need a wing today. Put on mascara. I'm definitely probably gonna put on a false lash. When have you ever seen me without them? Oh. I did find my poreless putty primer. It was in my daughter's room. So now I'm wondering if my missing eyeshadow palette is in there too. All right, for blush, the Tardiest Pro Glow, and we're going to use the two top pink, and we're just going to put that right here. Yes. Make a smile. Not really worried about contouring today. Not going anywhere anyway. But gotta do a few videos for you guys, and I do miss you. I wanted to do a live. If you guys want me to do a live, let me know. I definitely do want to do one. It's been a minute since I've done a live. Okay, so I am going to quickly go in with the Flash palette for highlight, and I'm just gonna grab any old brush here for my brow bone. And we're gonna put in Gleam right up here. Beautiful. Do I have one for the inner corner? Not really. Time to clean the brushes. Definitely. Let's see. This one should work though. It's an Eco Tools brush. Just a little something right there. And then we'll follow up with a fan brush. Let's see. I'm thinking about doing a self-tan or two. Kind of brighten things up, get a nice healthy glow. Can't really see that highlight. Not on camera anyway. Alright. I hear the mail truck. Anyone else still waiting on their packages? Most of the distribution centers have closed. Not happy about that. Oh, there we go. Nice highlight. Oh, very good. Ooh. So what should we do for lips? I think we should do something from Jeffree Star's collection. What do I have sitting here? Oh, I've got this bright purple one. I don't know if I can do that one. It is like way too bright for me. Yeah, I don't think so. I really do like the metallic lippies. I think those are the ones that look the best on me. I think this is Clout. Let's go in with Clout. Oh yeah, much better. Remember what I told you guys, don't keep dipping. Start in the middle with the lips and then work your way to the outer edges so you don't make a mistake. Oh, perfect. Should we do some lashes or should I just leave them like as is? Guys, you know me. I never, ever do that. I need some lashes. Lashes make such a huge difference. I wonder if Jeffree will let me purchase like 100 of these lippies in this color, Cloud. Wow, yeah, I'm loving it. So I'm in my PJs and I'm drinking coffee and I did my makeup because I wanted to chat with you guys because I've missed you. So I thank you so much for hanging out with me and taking a portion of your day to spend with me. I do miss you guys so very much. If you want me to do a live, let me know because I can definitely try to get the kids to be quiet for a little while. We'll see what happens there. But I do hope everyone is well. I am praying you all stay safe. I love you guys so, so very much. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in.